Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you have seen in the title below, that we will be making tie-dye pancakes. So I have seen a lot of people do tie-dye on shirts, and now it has come into the food where people are making tie-dye cakes. So I thought, why not bring to you tie-dye pancakes? So please keep watching. To make the tie-dye pancakes, we first need to start with our pancake batter base. So for that, we will be using 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 giant bowl, and sugar, and the last butter. For the coloring, we'll be using these 3 colors. I have food coloring, so if you have any other gel or liquid coloring, you can go with that as well. And here we have some vanilla essence and 3 bowls. Now to make the pancake batter, we will use first is the egg. We are just going to drop the egg in, and I am going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. So this is 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we are just going to mix it up. Now that our egg and sugar has been mixed well, we are just going to add 1 more spoon of sugar. You have to add it in 2 parts so that we can completely blend the sugar into the eggs. Next, we are going to take our flour, which is right here, and add in this 1 cup of flour. Now we just have to mix it well and get it to a batter consistency. Now I have milk, so we'll just be adding in our milk slowly so that the batter is not too runny. You have to be very careful about it. Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Now that we have our batter, I'm just going to add in 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. There we go. So what vanilla essence does, it covers up the smell of the eggs. So you do not want a eggy smell in your pancakes. Now that this is all incorporated, the last step to the batter is I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butter. So please use softened or melted butter so that it incorporates well in the batter. Now our batter is all done. There. Now comes the best part. It's time to color the batter. So now I have divided the batter into 4 parts, and now it's time to color. So I'm going to take a wooden spoon. It's easier to handle the. Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. I got so excited and was having so much of fun coloring these batters. I actually took some batter and colored it green. So now it's time that we take our pan and make these pancakes. So now we are here to the hub. Now I have a non-stick pan that I have already lined with some oil. So now it's time that we make our pancakes. So I'm going to take the hub, switch it on, and put it in the lowest setting, because we do not want too much of heat. If not, it will cook the pancakes while we are making them. You can also, if you think that it's getting way too hot, you can also switch it off and then cook it. It will just make it easier for us to make the pattern. So I have one of our we are just going to take it and put it on our plate. You can see the wonderful color that we have got. Now we are going to do the rest of the batter. So now we have our final tie-dye pancakes all done. If you cut into the stack, you will see different layers of colors. So there we have, guys, our final product. Look at it, it looks beautiful. This is all for today's video, and please keep watching my channel. This is Ayushi Gupta signing off.